Hello everyone, I am Dr. M. Manikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today in this video, we will detailedly discuss about semiconductor memories and its memory parameters. So what are all the parameters we are using in semiconductor memories? That's what we are going to discuss in this video. So this is a lecture series video. Continuously we are talking about semiconductor memories. Today we will talk about memory parameters of semiconductor memories. So memory parameters are, we can say it is characteristics, that is we are using here semiconductor memories in our computer. So in this section we will understanding the basic parameters of EPROMs and RAMs, random access memory, that helps in designing memory circuits. So these parameters are provided by chip manufacturers. So chip manufacturers or IC manufacturing, during the IC manufacturing some procedures and protocols will follow. So that manufacturers gives this type of parameters. So let's detailedly discuss about that. So first one, read operation parameters. Then there are two sections is there, read operation parameters and write operation parameters. So first one, read operation parameters. So first parameter, that is read cycle time. So simply you can say it is TRC. It means time required to complete a read operation. So in microprocessor or IC, whatever it may be, so to read or write it needs some time. So that's the TRC means time required to complete a read operation. So the valued address must be present during this period. So typically its value of time, so that is approximately 200 nanoseconds. So how quick it is, you can say it is very quick, which means 200 nanoseconds is a very fast one. So we can this is one of the parameter of read operation. The next one, access time, TA, simply we can say it is access time, TA. So this means time taken by the memory of output valid data after receiving a valid address. So this is the access time, slightly less than the or equal to the read cycle time. So it may be plus or minus some amount, very few variations is there. So typical value, that is approximately 200 nanoseconds. So approximately plus or minus 5 or plus or minus 10, we can say it is. So this is the access time. So this is also one of the read operation parameter. So next one, write operation parameters 1 and write operation parameters 2. Two text sections is there. So in first section we can see about data hold time. Simply you can say it is TDH. All are representing time only. So DTH means so minimum time data must remain valid for after the write pulse ends. So ensure proper data storage. So this is the data hold time. So if you are taking input from any computers or ICs, means it fetches the input or read the input, and it will hold some time the input in the accumulator. So that time means data hold time. So typically its value is very less. Typically it is almost 0. So 0 nanoseconds only it will holds. Then write cycle time. So we can simply you can say it is TWC. So it means time required to complete one write operation. So this is the write cycle time. That is the one cycle. So time required to complete one write operation. So this is the TWC. So address must remain valid during the write process. So address is must all the parameters is the one of the main key parameter. So typical value, its value is around 200 nanoseconds only. So next one, write operation parameters 2. So next parameter, that is write pulse time. So this is also we can represent it as TW. So which means write pulse time. So which means minimum time the write control signal must stay active, that is in high voltages. So it ensures the data is properly written to memory. So this write pulse time taking the time for approximately 120 nanoseconds only. So this is the most important one. So write pulse time, so it ensures the data is properly written in the memory or not. So it will check. So we can summarize these different kind of parameters of memory parameters is there. That is read cycle time, access time, write cycle time, write pulse time, and data hold time. So TRC means time to complete read operations, access time, time to output valid data, write cycle time, which means time to complete write, which has 200. So up to write cycle time, it's approximately 200 nanoseconds only. Then write pulse time, that is 120 seconds, which means pulse duration for write, that is 120 nanoseconds. Then data hold time, approximately it is 0 nanoseconds, maybe that is 10 nanoseconds, plus or minus 10 nanoseconds it will take. So this is the data hold time, so which holds the data. So which means the data validity after pulse. So after pulse, what is the validity of data? So how long it will hold the data? So approximately 10 nanoseconds. So that's all these are all the some semiconductor memory parameters. So thank you for watching this video. So we will continue in our next video, that is about semiconductor memories in the next topics. Thank you.